We are pleased to show you the 2024 Blazer. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, tires front all season, tires rear all season, 4-wheel disc brakes. Inside you'll find backup camera, Bluetooth, smart device integration, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, keyless start, security system, lane departure warning,